Can you say either their first name or their pronoun, the word should, and then the expectation that you have for them? Make sense? Okay, so pronoun or first name, should, and then the expectation, super loud. Ready, set, go.
Lori should lead well.
Okay, what's the emotion? When you say that, what do you feel?
Expected.
Okay, is it a good feeling? Yeah. Okay, got it. How many of you felt in her voice? Was it like a positive or was it like a little, okay, got it. So now we're just feeling we're connecting. Can you do me a favor? Take out the word should, put the word could in there, say the same sentence again. Ready? Super loud, louder.
Lori could lead well.
Same emotion or different emotion? So you already felt it. And there's a smile. Did you feel anything else happen in your body when you said the word could?
A little lighter.
A little lighter. Like you felt, okay, so this is, if you just take this from today, your whole life will be different if you take action on it. The reason why you felt lighter is because you, being responsible, you alleviated yourself of the expectation that you put on her, and now it's finally gone, and now you're back to feeling normal.